Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Fintie Folio case for the Amazon Fire Max 11 tablet. So the case is really easy to install. It is made out of, it feels like leather, but the case or the tablet just snaps into it. So here's the actual tablet. Here's what the case looks like. There is a spot for the camera up here, so it just snaps in. It covers it completely. There is a place for a stylus here, but then if you want to, you can fold it over back on itself, or if you want to make a stand out of it, you can push this up a little bit like that, and now it will stand. So you could watch a TV program or something. And again, I like if you want to put this, then you got the little strap. That keeps the case closed. And it does automatically wake it. So when you open this up, it will automatically wake up the tablet. So yeah, lots of room for everything. Nothing really gets in the way. The fingerprint reader's right there, charging port, speakers, there's a spot for the speakers. So yeah, I really like the look and the feel of this case. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.